Greetings. My name is Andrei. I'm a cameraman and the creator of a video about St. Petersburg in winter. I started working on city landscapes a while ago, even before the appearance of copters. At the time, I shot time-lapse footage from roofs, and it was then that I gained an understanding of exactly what technical means I lacked in order to make my image more striking. The advent of drones allowed me to add motion to my shots, as well as to get close to remote locations that I hadn't previously had access to. The video about St. Petersburg in winter is already our fourth video about St. Petersburg shot with a drone. And that's why we already have a good understanding of sites and locations. And when we arrive at a specific place, we know precisely which angle we want to get. For us, the camera's nighttime sensitivity is especially important because we believe that the first moments after the streetlights come on are the best time for shooting urban landscapes. DJI gave us a new camera, the Zenmuse X7, and we are astonished by the talent of the company's engineers, how it was possible to fit so many new technologies in something of such a small size and volume. We flew in different weather conditions. Sometimes we had to fly into snow clouds or fog, or we had to fly in strong wind. Sometimes the temperature dropped below 25 degrees, but we didn't encounter a single failure or malfunction. In my work, I prefer to move away from natural colors and create a stylized image. The results of my experiments depend heavily on the dynamic range of the material I'm working with. At times, I'm forced to choose between the quality of the picture and my creative freedom. Materials shot on the DJI Zenmuse X7 have definitely pleased me with their flexibility, which came in handy while I worked on filming the city at night. These conditions imply high contrast, high ISO values, and a high risk of noise. Despite these obstacles, I managed to achieve the results I wanted in post-processing. I would also like to note the good clarity of the image in places where the objects are out of focus. Sometimes, when the color contrast increases, the blurred areas turn into a set of shapeless spots, while here there was enough data in these areas to avoid the appearance of such artifacts. When compared with similar compact cameras, a picture taken with the X7 looks much more cinematic and three-dimensional. The sharpness and detail of the raw footage is astonishing, whereas post-processing reveals the camera's true potential.